Headlight Revolution's GTR Lighting Interior LED Kit.
Alright, ready, set, go!
Alright, the box came from Headlight Revolution. If you're into the whole Tundra scene, you should know who they are. Ooh, nice. Follow us. This is going to say my order details, which I don't need you to see that. What do we have in here? This was a super quick delivery, these guys. Interior kit. Wow. Oh, geez. Is that one ball in there? Or is there supposed to be two? Those are the forward-facing vanities. I'm guessing that one fell out. I hope. So that's the entire interior kit. License plate. Nice. Cargo light. Nice. Uh-oh. Another single one. Color red. Oh, okay. So this is the red brake light, I believe. Yeah, the brake light. It's red. We'll check on that. Rear turn signal. Okay. It says color red though. I'm not sure yet because these little guys fell off. There's something big here. What is this? Oh, okay. So these are those resistor packs for the turn signals. So you can install all of these headlights and the interior lights. The only one that's going to have the issue is the turn signal, where you have to do that thing. Oh wow, those are big. Tail lights. Wow. You got anything else in here? Jeez. I gotta go through all this popcorn. So the LED bulbs are a great option for any vehicle. I feel more confident driving at night that no one will crash into me because of how bright those exterior bulbs are, the brake lights and the turn signals. Now, that's covered in the next video. Also, when you open the door, it gives that wow factor to anybody coming in the vehicle. And also, you can see better, obviously. The main concern should be your visibility. Trying to think. I guess this isn't. This goes next to the cargo lights. This would be your third brake light. There's a single one in there, maybe. We'll have to check what all these lights do. But there isn't anything else in this box. And that was super quick delivery. Like I'm talking, I ordered this stuff on Monday. No, Tuesday. I ordered this stuff on Tuesday. Today is... What is today? What's today, Howie? What is today? Oh, okay. Today's Monday again. Yeah, because the Eagles just won the NFC Championship last night, so we're going to the Super Bowl. The Eagles are going to the Super Bowl game. Was on yesterday. So yeah, it was pretty quick delivery. I guess I'll show you part of this, cut part of this video out. Oh, this is interesting. So it says here, You can pause and read that. Uh-oh, there's miscommunication with the website. So the one highlighted is missing or something. But that's all the lights that I ordered. And they do fit the 18. Alright, here's a look at everything. Missing one item, but I'll get it eventually. Alright, so it's nighttime. It's raining. And I'm going to be the creepy guy and work inside my car at night while people walk around, and I'll just watch them. So, look, I've got the, oh jeez, it's the second time I dropped it. Trying to hold it up by its little tab, but I got the 5 interior Tundra lights, and I'm going to show you real quick. I was going to do a fancy video on it, like from far away, but you guys know if you have a Tundra, they're just a regular yellow old school bulbs in there. So I'll show you what it looks like real quick, and then I'll get right to installing the new ones. Alright. And then the Vanity Mirrors. I also got those. So everything's going to be brand new. So let's get to it. For this one, you just use a pry tool at the front, and it pops down with this little notch, and you just work around it. For the same on the other side. I'm probably just going to link in the description the actual video you should be watching to learn how to do all of this. So probably the hardest part of these installs is getting the factory bulb out. In the video that I linked in the description, he talks about a pry tool. What I did was just take a stack of business cards and use that as my pry tool. I go from the small side outward, just like he does in the video. And it does come out eventually. That took a while and was annoying. When you put the bulb in, make sure you test it, because you could have put it in backwards and you wouldn't even know before you put your cover back on. Alright, so for these ones, to get these covers off, there's a recess opening on the bottom. So you can just use any tiny little pry thing and pop that off on the bottom. Those are your bulbs. I guess I'm probably going to use a card to get behind it and pop it out. These have to face forward. They got 2 different sides. So it's not, actually, I don't know which side it is. We'll see. But they have to face. What's really weird about these bulbs, and don't get me wrong, these are amazing. Like they can be put in upside down. So like I just popped it in and didn't illuminate. And I'm like, what? Took it out, flipped it around the other way, put it in. Now it works. And yeah, that yellow side is the side that faces forward. I figured it was that side, not this tiny little side with that thing on it. But when I popped those out, I actually just used this, which is a little random, like a Baldwin key changer thing. Smart key, actually. There it is. And I just went from behind and popped it. And that thing, both the bulbs, flew in the back seat somewhere, so I'll have to find. Alright, when you pry this guy out, there's hinges on the back, so pry it from the front. And then the reflector little thing actually has its own hinge attaching there on the 18, so you can leave that and just use your fingers to grab the balls out and put it back in, and we're G as a G. 2 quick tips here. So it seems like if you don't want to put these ones in upside down, the GTR writing on each bulb faces down. I just learned that the hard way. Now, the original bulb, when I went to take this one out, it actually went up into the hole, into the plastic back here, and I was freaking out because I figured, oh, it's going to be in there forever. I tried to put my fingers in there, nothing. Then I just banged on the roof a couple times, and bring, it just popped out. So if you run into that random situation, that's how I did it. See, I remember this now. In the installation video, you have to put the reflector back in first before you can get the bulbs in, because the reflector and bulb sizing doesn't work. So Yeah, reflector and then bulbs in. Oh, jeez, that one didn't go in straight. Come on. Get on in there. This one doesn't want to go in straight. Come on now. Get on in. Yeah, bad girl. Don't play. Oh man, this one just doesn't want to make connection. There. Really gonna have to get in there with this. Alright, one more quick tip. When I was installing the second bulb, it wasn't illuminating for some reason. I was thinking, is it shorted out? Did I blow a fuse? What's going on? It was the button. I was putting the bulb in and we were seeing this and I was like, Jesus, come on. Can't anything ever just go right? But then, that's all it was. So, that's it. And then, last thing, looks like that. These guys go in here. Start. Oh yeah, and this has to go up into the headliner. Those clips. Now it looks a little better. Oh, not a little, a lot. The way it's supposed to look. And that's it. All right. I'm going to open the door for the first time with all the above lights installed. And we'll see. I'll turn off the... All right, here's the reveal. Woo! Alright, so I was wondering what this singular bulb was, and I remembered it's this tiny little one down here. Alright, so the last bulb is down here, and it just has a cord to it. You reach behind it. Where is it? And I guess you can twist it out or something. Yep, it just twists like a regular loosey-goosey. And there it is. Damn, she's hot though. I can pull her out and stuff with both hands. Alright, I actually had to use pliers with a tissue to grab that baby bulb out. But it did come out. And then it fits and everything and twists and locks back into place. But that was honestly the hardest part of the interior install. Alright, it is daytime. Here's a look at the LEDs in the day. You can't really tell. They don't make much light over the actual sunlight. Here are the Vanity Mirrors. I don't know if I showed a good clip of them or not. Yeah, they look really nice. I like that diffuser. It actually, the camera doesn't pick it up as well. But yeah, it looks nice. Same thing on the other side. Yup. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Everything still works. All right.